Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and account. This matters because display resolution and updates directly affect how Minecraft renders. Once you power on, make sure the Xbox 360 system software is up to date and connect via HDMI. Component cables lose clarity. Next, sign into the Xbox Live profile that owns Minecraft and free up space for texture packs or saves. These first steps eliminate common visual bottlenecks and let you change in-game display settings effectively. Once done with hardware, you change settings that actually shift graphics quality. On the Xbox, go to System Settings, right arrow Console Settings, right arrow Display, then pick the TV's native 720p or 1080p. This improves pixel clarity. Make sure Minecraft's in-game video or graphics options are on the highest available presets, and then browse the Minecraft store or My Packs to apply a texture/resource pack. Texture packs alter block detail and lighting. To finish, you download and apply the chosen texture or resource pack, then restart Minecraft so assets cache correctly. This step ensures the new textures show up without glitches. If performance dips, clear the Xbox cache by holding the power button and then removing temporary files, and try lower resolution packs or fewer active add-ons. If textures still fail, uninstall then reinstall the pack, and as a last resort reboot the console. That usually resolves corrupted installs or display hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.